try it. Skateboard. Yeah.
เราจะมาสอนเบสิกที่ว่าซิกแพค scary
Sawadika, Pukau. Quadlips. And today's special is because we're today with Long SD.
Checklist, check, checklist, checklist, check, checklist, checklist, check, check. Tick, 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 tick my list.
How are you? How are you? How are you?
ขอโทษค่ะขอโทษค่ะ joking มันเป็นมุกค่ะเอาใหม่ How are you เป็นยังไงบ้าง
feel good
Good, of
Yeah.
course. And yeah, we heard like she's just you turning 12 like this year. It's so amazing. It's because she's already like got to Olympic. It's so amazing. Congratulations.
Congratulations! So how do you feel that you got to step on the Olympic stage?
I'm so excited I'm so happy
Nervous? You are nervous?
Yeah, of course, you worked hard for it, right? Yeah.
When I heard like you just turning like 12, it's like, oh really? It's like too young. It's like
yeah.
really young, but she's really like have a big achievement for herself. It's so amazing.
How old did you start skateboarding?
7
7! 7, and at the age of 12, she stepped on the Olympic stage.
Just 5 years
Yeah!
Wow.
Is it hard to like play skateboard for the first time?
oh so much หนูไม่มีครูสอน
ไม่มี
ใน
หร
ต
อ
อนแรกแม่หนูสอนคนเดียว
มันใกล้นี่เนี่ย
Are you like have been dreaming like you going to Olympic before?
yes 4 years ago have Olympic from Tokyo and I watching as I
So amazing.
I want to go Olympic I tell mom
That's good かっこいいかっこいいかっこいい How about like in the future any goal
เอาเหรียญโอลิมปิกซ้อมแล้วก็เอาเหรียญโอลิมปิกให้ได้
I think you can got it.
Yeah.
thank you
We'll support you, of course.
ใช่สู้ๆหนูทำได้
ใช่
เก่งมากไหนๆก็ได้ไปโอลิมปิกแล้วพี่จะถามคำถามที่เราก็เพิ่งคุยกันไปมัฟฟินโอลิมปิกได้กินไหม
ไม่ได้กินค่ะ หนูแค่ออกไปเอาอาหารแบบเดียวกลับมามันก็หายไป เพราะว่าโค้ชหนูเอาไปทิ้งโค้ช tell me
Don't eat. I see.
เอาไว้ข้างหน้านะคะโค้ชขอให้น้องกินสักนิดนึงก็ยังดีนะคะ
So maybe like for right now you just like playing skateboard. If it's like have something you to do if you have like free time, what you do if you have a free time?
enjoying singing
Oh really?
yes and dancing
Wow.
Do you want to be an idol someday?
You want it?
น่ะ
No. Wow.
การเป็นไอดอลยากไหม because so many people want
Become idol
Of course, yes.
Yeah of course yes but enjoy really enjoy right
Basically, like if you saw like idol is just like they do the performing, smile, and give positive energy. But behind that, like we have a lot like struggling. So yeah, become idol is very hard for me too. Like I'm already trying JKT48 when I was 14. And right now I'm 25. It's not that easy to do like idoling. It's because we should be like giving positive energy to another people when we like maybe we have a bad time or something like that. But when we on the stage, we should be performing like nothing happened. That's the hardest one, and we should like learning maybe 300 songs in the group or something like that. It's hard being idol.
โอ้หนูว่ายากจริงๆยาก
But of course, we enjoy being idol. It's because we can see the fans. We can see like we got it energy positive too for the fans
From the
fans. So it's enjoy and we like it, right?
Of course.
ใช่ค่ะ
นี่นี่เอง
What is your favorite song to listen to while skateboarding?
I like Taylor Swift
Of course,
I was 52.
Style Daylight
Oh that's really good
maybe you can try listening Quadlips in the future. If we have a concert, let's go come.
จริงเหรอ
Yeah, let's go.
maybe.
One last question. What's the first trick you learned in skateboard?
It's so basic. It's an ollie.
Ollie.
Or tic tac.
I wanna try the skateboard โอเคค่ะตอนนี้ก็ถึงเวลาแล้วพวกเราอยากจะลองไปเล่นสเก็ตบอร์ดกันแล้วงั้นเราไปกันเลย
check list. Tick, 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 tick my list. I've been spending my time thinking about is this the one? 'Cause I don't feel the sparkly shines around me. Take my time with me. You just love me or hate me. Take my list, take my list. Take that on. Scary. I keep taking it out on me. I'm not going back to the past. We're not in my soul.
You wanna see? Of course, I got it. Safety number 1ไม่มีใครเห็น
พี่น้ำบอกไม่ได้ป่ะจ๊ะ
I got it! Let's see! It's a little bit hard.
Thank you so much, Long SC, for today because you are so
fun.
Fun. Thank you so much.
Of course, good luck on your journey, on your skateboarding journey. We'll
Nice.
be supporting you.
Next time Olympic? Yes. Got it. Okay, bye bye. See you. Bye bye next time, guys.
Checklist, check, checklist, checklist, check, checklist, checklist, check, check. Tick, 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 tick my list.